Next we have the rather beleaguered Bristol M1C, which has damaged undercarriage. So all I'm going to do with this is turn it upside down and put a spot glue in back in place where it goes. And that should be enough, I think. There we are, got the undercarriage set in now, it's been re-glued. Then there's dodged the Spitfire, which has got cracked between the fuselage and the wings, but I think I can just put a little bit of glue there and put it back together. Quite enough. And got to put these, hope these will go back in place and stay where they are. Got the wheels there, got both original wheels there. I've reattached the wing to the fuselage and just holding it with a bit of tape as it sets. First main wheel put on the again on the clipped wing Spitfire. Here we go, not quite ready to put on the test on the ground, but it's got both wheels on now, so I'd call that fixed. The second damaged Spitfire is this one, the desert one. The wheel has stayed on just about there, but I've also got the original wheel to reattach there, so that's just a matter of putting the wheels on again. Got the first wheel on, but I have to leave it one wheel at a time so that I can balance it properly. There's the other wheel, just set in on the upturned North Africa Theatre Spitfire. There we are, North African Spitfire, all done, back to static standards. I started fixing the undercarriage of the Gladiator, but one of the legs fell off. I thought I'd just be able to put it back on, but it fell off. I can start again. I've got that glued in place now so that the wheel will at least be the right angle. Mark 1 Spitfire's wheel is now set in and it should be ready in the next day.